Hello, today we're going to look at the feasibility of using a device called an opto-coupler. Some people call it an opto-emitter or a slotted optical switch. Whatever you call it, basically it's just a beam of light going across, and you want to find a way of breaking the light beam to create pulses to use as feedback to a microprocessor to control robotic car in this case. Now I have these wheelchair motors, and I don't know if you can see it, but I've already cut a slot right there into the side of the cover, and in that cover I have already a slotted disc. It's got 100 little tiny holes on it, which should give me a very good resolution in terms of controlling the motor. And all I want to do is I have this little test setup right here. As you can see, the LED is on, and I already have this opto isolator here. He's opto coupler. He's already connected, and we're gonna put him in here and see what we get in terms of pulses on the scope. Okay, and over here I have the other setup. Is I have a power supply set at 5 volts, and that's to feed the emitter here, and also a small pulse width modulation circuit that I made with using a 555. To control my blue, this is a Sabertooth 2x12, and I have a couple of gel cells. 2 of them are in parallel to give more current. Okay, I've reconnected the Sabertooth. It's connected up, and I got the pulse width modulator running, and I am scoping. Oh, I also put the coupler. Here's the coupler. I have it taped in place. That's this guy right here. I have it taped in place there, down to this circuit here, the test circuit, and from here is where I'm getting my scope pulse, which is here. Now, as I change the speed of the motor using the pulse width modulator circuit, it's a little bit slower, and that's what happens to the output of the opto emitter. And as I speed it up, see what happens to the waveform. Now these pulses look a little bit sloppy, and what I'll probably end up doing is running these through a Schmidt coupler to clean up the waves and make them a little more square wave. But so far so good. It's working good. My main concern was that the height of the opto-coupler wasn't going to be in the right position to meet the holes in the disc. But it's perfect, so I just have to screw them down, put a better connector over here, and continue on making the control circuitry for the Wi-Fi robot. Thank you.